So hi guys, so I'm gonna be unboxing Auspicious Beginnings Shiba Inu stuffed animals. Why did I buy these? Well, I don't know. Maybe to keep me warm at night. Who knows? Let's go. So yeah. So they come compressed in little bags, plastic bags. So we got a gray one, a gray Shiba Inu, and we have a brown Shiba Inu. So I guess I have to open these packages and wait some time for them to expand to their full size. Oh. So yeah, I guess I'll come back in a bit of time. Let these see if they get a bit bigger or not. I guess I could just show them quickly. So you got your brown Shiba Inu. You got a pink anus. There's a zipper on the side. So I guess you could add some more stuffing. I'm gonna try to close this. Yep, there we go. Gray one, I guess same idea. He has a pink anus also. Squishy. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, I'll come back in an hour or so and to see if they get a bit bigger or fully expand out. So I'll see you in a bit. Welcome back. So it's been a bit more than an hour since I opened these from the plastic bags and they've expanded. They look the same actually. So yeah, so I got so I guess like I'll get my piece of paper and we'll say, so I got the Auspicious Beginning Shiba Inu. Got a brown one and a gray one. These are both 15.7 inches. The brown one cost $33.99 Canadian, and the gray one cost $31.99 Canadian. And I bought these on Amazon.ca. I think they also go under the brand Ditucu or something like that. There's also a black one, but I didn't get that one because it was not in stock in Canada, and I don't want to pay shipping from the States. So yeah. The gray one has a tag saying keep away from fire. Yeah, so like product name, plush pillow, material, synthetic polyester fiber, stuffed PP synthetic cotton, and keep away from fire. So I'm just gonna take off the tag. Yeah, so I mean, where do I start? So brown Shiba Inu. It's a pink anus again. And he's squishy. And the gray one, which is like the same thing, but just gray. So it's like another pink anus, if that's your thing, you can stare at it. Yeah, he's squishy also, like. Yeah, I guess you like stack them up. Yeah. So I guess that's that. Like, what else is there to say? They look kind of wrinkly, but I guess the wrinkles will like disappear over time. Yeah, and I guess you could add some more stuffing if you want through the zippers on the left-hand side. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for watching.